guys, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to Keep It Up Kristen Jackson. I'm your girl Kristen. I want you guys to subscribe, like, hit the bell, follow me on Instagram Kristen9, TikTok Kristen9. That's all you guys to do. Today is July 13th. Happy Sunday, my favorite day of the week. And it's 11:11 a.m. It's the first clip. Good morning, people. And yeah, it's my favorite time of the week. Favorite time of the week. That's what it is. That's what it is. My favorite time of the week. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So I have an app that I pay for, and I'm gonna start using this app more, and the other one too, but like I pay for two apps that I'm gonna start using more and more and more daily, going back and forth, you know. But yeah, because I love this filter a lot. It makes me look really good. And she also reposted a video someone made on TikTok about a girl confusing her.
It's starting to get on my nerves, like for real. Why every time he think Rose is moving on and healing and doing good, he trying to confuse her? Good. Like he really the enemy for real. Like who needs enemies?
I like it a lot. I like it a lot.
To confuse your mind and your heart every chance he gets. Like she was just celebrating the other day how she's abstinent. She's been abstinent for a year. Like that is great because at the end of the day, even she said that she's just not mentally ready for a relationship. Like she's just trying to heal after just having her child, and unfortunately her family is just like not together right now because of the baby father. She just celebrated that. She healing. She going out more. She went on a trip. She about to go on another
guys.
And who's gonna do something
It's
about
11:13.
I don't know what it says. Something childish that I don't really care for. But posted her. When I saw that shit on my newsfeed, I almost broke my phone in half, literally. And then now here Rose go.
You look like a cat hair.
Clearing the hair.
Don't have cat.
On one hand, I want to say stop clearing the hair. Sis, continue to heal. Ignore him. Don't acknowledge him.
I did a really good job today.
Don't even allow him to know that you feeling any type of way about anything you got going on. But then on the other hand, we all get paid on TikTok from posting over a minute.
Today's Sunday, my favorite day of the week.
Every time Will views get low,
I'm so
like,
happy.
Like,
it's fucking my favorite day of the week. My favorite day of the week. Oh yeah, oh
yeah. She happy and she go get a man that don't act like this. Like he's just emotionally unintelligent.
I'm watching
it's so aggravating.
Influencer lifestyle. That's what I'm watching right now. It's a drama channel.
And Buddha claiming of Amira, she
did.
I also reported about Amira being on live, saying that she broke up with Buddha, but he wasn't done. She said that she broke up with him because she wasn't being treated right, and they were arguing a lot. She also said that he went into her Instagram as well.
I really liked
Instagram.
this.
And so while Buddha was on stream, he confirmed that he did. He's still
my baby.
If you cheated, own up to it. You drove 3 hours away again.
But yeah,
3 hours.
I kind of feel bad for Buddha because his channel got taken down by some guy that he was his friend, and I feel bad because that happened, and I don't know what happened.
Literally, gang, I told you 203 times for a reason, gang.
And now his girlfriend accusing him of cheating on her.
He had logged into my friend Instagram.
He can never get a break. Ever. What's up, guys? 11:15.
I'm sorry, bro.
And third clip I'm doing for. So I got one more clip after this, and I'm done for this hour. And then it's gonna be on a different one.
Like, and I'm saying y'all should watch that shit because
my baby
wants attention. She can't just say I'm sorry. It's not that hard. It's not that hard, gang. It's not that hard, gang. Before I even got on live and took a shower or anything, I literally woke up. My mom sent me the message that she sent my mom. I called her twice. She answered. She said, stop fucking.
I was on
You called me 9
TikTok
times when I was asleep.
and this
6:30 in the
information
morning.
rap song.
6:30 in the morning.
It's like
You called
hype
me
me
9
up,
times. You called me 9 times.
hype me
9
up,
times. I was
hype
asleep.
me up.
I was asleep, yo. I woke up, called you
It's stuck
back.
in my head, so I'm getting
You ain't
hype
talking
me up,
about
or
nothing.
I'm
You
gonna
said,
hype
why
myself
you call
up.
me?
It's that kind of song. You
Why you
know,
call me, gang?
I
Like,
really,
you
really
trolling.
love
Then you talking about, oh,
that
if I don't call you
song.
back,
So
you're
I'm
gonna
like,
say more shit.
in my head, I'm like, hype
Like,
me
I
up.
don't, like,
I'm gonna hype myself
damn,
up,
bro.
but I can't play it because it's going to copyright.
To believe. Now it seems Buddha wasted no time as he will be doing an edict with Maya.
Well, like,
but I do want to know what y'all think when it comes down to based on everything I was said in this video down in the
where's my
Please also
chapstick?
leave a like,
I
subscribe,
need
and
my
turn on your
chapstick.
notification bell so that whenever I upload it, you are notified.
No, for real. Yeah, good.
But yeah, that's definitely not for today. I'm definitely gonna be going to be looking like this.
Oh yeah.
Okay. I like this a lot. Can I change it? Oh, I could change it. It's like microcam slash.
Oh my god. I'm about to go. What's up, guys? It is 11:17 a.m. It's the fourth clip, last clip of the hour. I'm dying. I don't know why I did that, but yeah.
Except where you can't change.
Hype me up, hey. Hype me up, hey. Hype me up, hey.
Sucks ass. So I like the back camera better.
But yeah.
Yeah, anyways, the thing I don't like about this, oh wait, hold on. It's 1:39 p.m. It's fourth clip, last clip of the hour. Anyways, the only thing I don't like about this app is that when if I want to stop like that.
You do a lot of stuff.
Because it won't let me. Unless I change it.
And I'm like
Let's see if I can change
loving
it.
this
I'm
app
gonna put it on here because
already.
my phone.
At first I didn't really like it at all. I didn't really use it. But now I'm like, I use it. There's a zoom and then there's, you can pause it, but you can't switch it back to the background, I mean the back camera. And I don't want it because the back camera sucks on these tablets and my phone.
So I like this. This is the only filter I would use on this app anyways.
Yeah.
So, makes my skin look really good besides the black and white one. So yeah. Just the same as the other ones.
Don't use the back camera on the tablets or your phone because it sucks.
And the black and white filters and this filter I use.
Like for real.
And
that's why I don't get that thing. That's why I like the front camera better than this, than the back one. So yeah, and plus I don't like when people just watch me, you know, vlog. You gotta use the back camera.
1 o'clock. Yeah, the first clip. It's the next day.
Hype me up, hey. Hype me up, hey. Hype me up, hey. Hype me
I'm
up,
watching Movie
hey.
right now. Movie live. But yeah, that's what I'm watching.
But I do look good with this.
Good morning. And all this stuff.
I really look good.
Stomach been hurting. Hurting right now. I don't even know. Yeah.
I'm like, but I pay for this app and I pay for the other app, so I'm using
Yeah, I don't
both.
talk to anybody else because like, I don't like a lot of people.
Okay, bye. See you guys at
I only have like
12 p.m. Bye. What's up, guys? Update time. It is 1:49 p.m. First clip. How you guys doing? Okay, so my friend said she brushed the floor. I think it's funny. She didn't even know she said it, and the person that she was talking to that lived there with her looked at her like she was crazy or something. But if I was there, I would laugh because like, that's what you just said. You just brushed the floor. How do you do that? How do you brush the floor? I think she said she meant to say swept the floor, not brush the floor. Like, what the fuck? I think it's funny. How people just say that. Like, okay. That's just funny. Never give you up, baby. Never let you down, baby. I gotta do something daily. In his vlog, in my Instagram story, in my TikTok, I gotta do something daily, okay? I gotta do something for all those 3 vlog to Instagram and TikTok. So like, I gotta do it. Oh, and my YouTube short too. So like, yeah. Instead of talking, no, I'm still gonna talk. I don't care. I gotta do something. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I gotta do something, and yeah. It's 1:51 p.m. Second clip. I really do need to go to. I'm watching this over there. Oh, you guys want to see my stand for my tablet? This stand for my tablets, and that is stand over there for my phone. Yeah, I love these. I got this from Amazon, both of them from Amazon, and it's called Lemon Call Share Simple Life. It's a stand. It's a really good stand too because it holds my tablet really good. And it holds my other one holds my phone really good. I thought it was gonna be bigger, but it's smaller. Like, what the hell? So you guys lied to me and say it was gonna be bigger, but it's really not. Like, it's good for like, you know, your desk and your drawers and stuff. It's good for that, but like small, like this is hella small. And sometimes if I want to show you guys everything, I use my big tripod over there, my blue one. So yeah, that's the only time I would use it, and everything. It's gonna be good. And then I don't know. I said I was gonna vlog 2 vlogs, but no. I need to vlog. I need to vlog for my other channel too, so I might do that. I might start doing that tomorrow, but like today, no. It's 1:53 p.m. It's the 3rd clip. Got one more clip after this.
Okay, I started YouTube when I was about like 14 years old. So I was a kid. I'm 21 now, and I don't no longer even want to associate myself with influencers. Like, I wish that y'all would stop talking about influencers under me and my sister's comments. Like, I don't want to associate myself with them. Please disconnect me because I hate what's going on. Like, it be so y'all. It's so much.
I was watching
stuff.
Country Wayne, and Anthony went to Amber, and she told him,
everything be good.
she's like, get back in your car, I don't want to hear it, blah, blah, blah. Like, she really told him off.
Be with the same people that we was just with, and you was my brother, and now you, it's like everybody is just fake, and they're doing the next big thing. Y'all.
And then Shayla keep telling people that she checked Amber, like, shut the fuck up, you didn't check no one. Bitch, you gotta check yourself. You and Anthony gotta check yourself. So like, you did not check no one.
Isn't constant income, so
but yeah,
everybody is always
so shut up.
And looking for the next big thing to make money, but end up snaking people. And
yeah,
it's just
sometimes pisses me off. I'm gonna
like, that's genuinely how I feel like
put my wig on.
I'm telling you, y'all favorite influencers are not paying
these
rent.
2 clips.
They're using CPS.
Yeah. Everything you up, baby.
Nothing is real. Everything is a big old facade, and I get tired of it. Fake pranks, planned out challenges, planned out things to say. We got blind dates where you know who's sitting next to you. Like, it's just like everything is a facade. Don't tell me I'm an influencer. I don't want to be an influencer and take me out the category. I don't like fake stuff, and stuff is me just no thing. Like, y'all say stand, y'all support.
It's 1:56 p.m. It's 4th clip, last clip of the hour. I'm done.
We're not fake.
So,
you're not about to sit in my face and talk about somebody and then go be in their face. Like, no, like, back then when I was growing
early,
Need you
that
up,
would get you hurt in
baby.
real life.
Gotta
Now,
put you
because
down,
it's too
baby.
crazy. But I'm not, like, it's just me and Jada do
Okay,
not
that song's
associate
stuck
with
in
that
my
type
head.
of stuff. Like,
It's the Pretty Ricky song, and
I hate when people give their opinions on shit that
I like
nobody
this.
actually opinion about. Like, we ain't care yesterday, we ain't care the day before yesterday, and we damn sure don't care today. I can't stand a hypocrite, yo. Like, you know what I'm saying? When somebody a hypocrite and they try to.
I don't like hypocrites either. Maybe because I am one sometimes, but like, come on now. You're a hypocrite, you're a hypocrite, everybody's a hypocrite, come on now. But yeah.
It don't equal up, man. It don't make sense. And as I get older, bro, I realize there's a lot of people out in the world that like to victimize themselves, bro. No matter what they done, they can do you so dirty. They can be the reason.
I'm about to use this tablet tomorrow for my vlog. Oh my god, Tuesday. Today's gonna be extra hot today. It's gonna be 89 degrees, but almost 90. Yeah. Tuesday's gonna be even hotter. It's gonna be 90 something. I'm going to die. But I have to go for a walk in the mornings from now on. I'm not going for a walk in the afternoon. I'm not going to go for a walk in anything, only in the mornings. Only in the mornings from now on. Like, walk in the mornings. Just go for a walk in the mornings. That's all you have time for. Anyways, I gotta get up in the morning to go for a walk, and I'm not 6 a.m. I gotta get up. Actually, I'm gonna get up at 3. I'm probably not gonna even go to sleep. You know, I'm not gonna go to sleep because, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna see you guys next clip. That will be at 3 o'clock actually, because I'm not vlogging at 2. Bye-bye. What's up, guys? Update time. 7:23 p.m. First clip. Haven't been vlogging because I've been sleeping. Oh yeah, my friend bought me a doorknob with a lock on it. I'm gonna show you. What the hell? The hell?
I told her that Shunli Hui developed an intestinal fistula
I have to show you guys. Yeah.
but she doesn't need to worry about the
I really like it. But I think it's a little big, but
I'm sure he lives in health. Then she was told that Zhu Mailan had been sentenced to 9 years.
branding wine. It's a Stanley glass one. This is the box.
But forget about the
Came with
compensation.
it.
I won't pursue it. Lacey Shin remained pale-faced and
Oh,
silent,
this is the
as if she hadn't
doorbell.
seen me at all, thanks to the 3%
Yeah.
equity stake in New Group. The Zhu family's capital
I don't know why I'm
chain
showing
crisis
you
was
guys because
temporarily
people like
alleviated.
to watch my
Later,
videos.
Qing City New Energy Project successfully passed inspection.
I don't know how, but I don't have a screwdriver.
Standards, with the arrival of the second phase payment
And
and
this
additional
is
third phase orders.
The key.
The Zhu Group completely overcame its capital chain crisis. 1 year
See?
later, Grandfather
I'ma show you.
officially handed over the Zhu Group to me. The board of directors unanimously approved my appointment as CEO. After taking over, I began to drive the group's strategic transformation, phasing out the loss-making photovoltaic film business and fully shifting to perovskite technology road, while establishing joint laboratories in collaboration with key universities.
I gotta hide the keys, gotta hide everything.
When Zhu Group went public on the Star Market,
Because
its market value had tripled.
how
The Zhu Group is steadily growing
you're
in
gonna do
size.
it.
However, the New Group is facing
But yeah,
a major
see you guys.
cerebral infarction and
It's
was rushed to the
7:25 p.m. Second clip.
shares I held.
I'm doing
Then, during our
4
meeting
clips on
with
this
wealthy
one.
wives from the financial
But
circle,
yeah, hold on a
casually
minute.
hunters to poach Lu's core technical team members.
What's up,
Under a
guys?
series of maneuvers,
I'm back. Okay,
the Lu
so
family showed signs of impending
I'm
collapse.
listening to a
Grey
video
Lu came to seek help
thinking I'm
multiple
watching much
times,
for Troy
even going
because
so
it's the
far
second
as to
part
humble
to this
himself and promise to start
the
over with
series
me.
of the
I
video.
laughed. I
I'm
laughed
so
at his
happy.
absurdity.
I'm
I
doing
recalled
Kristen
that
Summer
popular saying
vlogs right
online,
now.
"With no
That's
man
what
in
I'm
your
doing
heart, your swordplay will
because
naturally be
it's the
divine."
summer.
Later, after the passing of old man Lu, Grey Lu, having lost his last pillar of support, sold the company to a large state-backed conglomerate. He then moved to Canada. In Vancouver, He runs a small consulting firm that primarily serves Chinese enterprises. It's
Oh,
said
my
that
bad.
he relies on old
I
man
was
connections
watching
to secure some fruitful
something.
business deals.
Okay,
But all that
let's
came
see.
later. In the third year of Shunli Hui's bedridden
Oh, this one is
paralysis,
so much better than the
passed
other
away
one.
due to sepsis. Due to prolonged bed rest, his body was
It's
covered
still
in bed
here.
sores, and he ultimately died in pain from septic shock. I entrusted the funeral home with handling his arrangements. I didn't go to collect the
Oh,
ashes,
totally forgot I had this
letting them handle it
juice.
on my behalf. Su Mailan was released from prison over a year early. By then, the grass on Lacey Shen's grave had grown lush and green. Su Mailan seemed to have gone mad, holding a photo every day and stopping people on the street to ask if they had seen her daughter. Many people around me know about my affairs. Behind my back,
So good.
they say I have a heart as venomous as a snake's, a ruthless killer in the business world who only chases after profit. They say no man would dare marry a woman like me. I smiled, swirling the champagne in my hand as I stood by the floor-to-ceiling window, gazing down at the city lights below. Rather than elusive love, I value the power and wealth in my hands
This is
more.
so
The
good.
bitterness of love, once
Oh.
tasted, is enough. I prefer watching the perfect
7:28
nosedive curve on the
p.m.
K-line chart after
Third
shorting a
clip.
rival company.
So good. So good. I like how it looks with this. It's looking really cute, you know, especially when it's like summertime and everything. And my hands look normal, not x-ray kind of freaking hands. Like, what the fuck? It does that. Sometimes I don't even know why it does that, but like, it does. It was 90 degrees today. It was fucking hot. I don't even know why I wore this hat. This purple hat. I don't even know why I wore it. I was going to take a picture with, oh my god. I was going to take a picture with it, and I wore this hat. I took a shot. It got hot, so I took it off. Oh, you know. So freaking hot. 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 7:30 p.m. It's fourth clip, last clip hour. I'm done until 8. And then I'll be done. And I really like this. See, I could do this without messing up and everything, because like the other ones, you like, well, you guys don't mess up, but like still. I know me. Yeah, don't mind me. I'm fucking hot. It's so hot. I must to hide my tablets and then get ready to go for a walk in the morning. I don't know if I want to take. I should take my tablet with me because I might vlog with it. So I'm taking a big bag and stuff. So I'm gonna take the big bag I have, my only one, and then yeah. It's so freaking hot. Oh baby, so. Oh, I think my friend hit me up. I gotta hurry up and finish this clip. so I can answer her. I gotta answer her. I'm not going downstairs. I'm not. I don't want to go downstairs. But I have to go. See you guys next clip. They'll be at 8 o'clock. Bye. What's up, guys? Update time. So 22 p.m. first clip. I'm watching J5 to Shay Frost back to Duke Dennis. Messing up the guys' video, not video, house.
Why they all come back with a New York accent?
I'm here. I'm here.
I'm dead. Charles in New York. I'm like, why they all talking like New York? Oh, he's actually from New York. We're guys from New York. Oh, but that's, man, do they all talk like that? Syracuse still. Syracuse shot is hella close.
That's the song should be on this video. Look how crazy. Look. That is crazy. They blow up the house, man. They blow up that motherfucking house. That's crazy. Yeah. It's 11:24 p.m. Second clip. I'm doing 4 clips because I want to end this vlog. It's gonna be a short vlog. Do 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 do. Dang, it's almost over the video. But that is crazy how they do that. I'm gonna tell my friend to watch this video because I have to show her that I actually got it. I don't feel like doing an individual video, so she gotta watch the vlog tomorrow in the morning if she's up. I don't know, she might be sleeping right now. I'm like, you gotta get an alternative or a substitute for the energy drinks. Or just don't drink it at all. Because, like, sucks. Can't drink it. Heat makes the heat makes me get a headache. All this stuff. That's the heat. But I don't know. 11:27 p.m. Third clip. So YouTube is changing on the 15th their policy. So if you want to get paid on there, you can't do this. Okay, you can't be faceless on there. Can't do AI on there, and you can't be boring. Well, technically you can, but like, I mean, low effort won't get you paid on there. So, technically, I talk. So that's my thing. I talk. That's what I do. I'm a talk. I talk. But honestly, the other one is, I think that's all. That's all the rules. I mean, you can have AI, but you have to have, show your face and everything now. So, I don't know about Anna Oop now. I don't know how she's going to react to this, because she might not get paid on her. It was bleeding. It was red because I drink red juice, okay? My lips are not bleed. My lips are not chapped or anything like that. So, yeah. Do 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 do. Hey hey hey. Goodbye. Everlasting, oh yeah, baby. What is this? Why is this here? I don't like hugs. I don't like giving hugs. Okay. It's 11:29 p.m. Sports clip. Let's go. Hour in the day. Close the vlog out. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. What you guys do? Subscribe, like, hit the bell. Follow me on Instagram, Kristin9, TikTok, Kristin9. That's all you guys do. See you guys tomorrow in another day vlog. My low is, it's very hot today. My high is, it was really good today. So those are my highs and lows. And I'm done. Oh my god, done. I'm done until in the morning, but I'm done. So, yeah.
Stomach being flat though. Stomach being flat. We just got to tone it. Clear got abs. I don't have abs, so. Yeah, this day for y'all. We left the gym, and I look so foolish. Like, I don't even want to be recording right now, but I have to record because it's what I gotta do. I'm about to go into Five Below real quick and.
Yeah, that's what I do too. That's what I do. I record myself. That's what I do. I didn't want to record, but I got to do. And I got to in the vlog, and I can't not in the vlog, you know? I hate not in the vlog, so giving me anxiety and everything. I'm like, okay, what am I gonna do? So, yeah. So, that's soon it's gonna be August, and that's the month I'm going to actually really vlog, get into my vlogging area, because all those months is like, oh gosh. But this month is really good so far, you know, practicing for next month. Yeah, that's good to my vlogging area in August, because September is going to be a good month. October, November, definitely December, because October is Vlogtober. I'm doing Vlogtober, and I'm going to do Vlogmas. So that's why I'm practicing more and more vlogging. Keep vlogging every day, upload every day, you get good results daily. But yeah, anyways, I'm about to go. See you guys tomorrow in the morning. Bye.